If you guys want to know how to make $40,000, $50,000 in passive income every single month or every single week, stay tuned for this video to know how you guys can make that money, because this video is going to show you how to make that money and how to make it easier and faster. So stay tuned. Yo, what is up everybody? Welcome back to a brand new video. If you guys are new here, welcome. This channel is a helpful channel that I own in myself, and I'll show you guys how to influence, income and impact. So on this channel we have tips on influence, income and impact. And if you guys are new, make sure you guys click the like button on this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos like this one. And if you guys are already a subscriber, that's good, because you guys are subscribed to the right channel. And on this channel we put two videos every single week on Tuesdays and Fridays, and I'm trying to work out more to put actually 4 videos every single week for you guys, to help you guys more. So in this video we're talking about income, how you guys can make, as you guys saw on the intro, I'm going to show you guys how to make uh over 50,000. I think the highest one was $50,000, $50,000 in passive income every single month. And you guys only need to work 5 minutes every single day to make that money passively income. So this is a great way you guys can make money online, and it's free. You guys don't need anything. You guys don't need to be in front of camera, or you guys don't need any like a big following or anything. So let's get started with the video. So I'm gonna show you guys an example. So make sure you guys don't click off this video because you guys think oh, this might not work for me. Let me show you guys an example first. So there is this channel. I don't know the name because it's in another language. I think it's Chinese or Japanese, I don't know, but the videos are in English and they have subtitles with another language. They have subtitles with them, and this channel is not even verified, so it's not ready to I think they didn't put it for verification or anything. So it has 362,000 subscribers, and this channel makes over $40,000. It can make over $42,000 per month without that AdSense or anything, without having to have 4,000 hours of watch time, or without having 1,000 subscribers. It already has the 1,000 subscribers, but without having the 4,000 hours of watch time, this channel can still make that money. And in this video I'll show you guys how to do that, and you guys don't even need to be in front of camera. As you guys can see some of their video, so I'm not gonna play the volume. Look, there's no one in front of the camera. It's just like cartoon stuff. You guys can do the exact same thing, and I'm gonna show you guys how you guys can do this and how you guys can grow that channel to make money. And you guys are not gonna sell stuff. This is not affiliate marketing, nothing at all. Not like that, selling stuff like some channels do. You guys are not doing any selling and nothing, not even affiliate marketing. What you guys are doing actually is growing a channel. Then you guys can make money. You guys are not making money from the AdSense or any of those ad revenues. So let me go to show you guys how you guys make this money. So before we go to the real place where you guys use, as I showed you guys in the intro, before we go there, make sure to click the like button, subscribe if you guys haven't yet. So you guys have 3 seconds to do that. So I'll reveal the real website you guys are using. 3, 2, 1. So make sure you guys click it, because if you guys haven't, I mean, it's gonna be not good enough for you guys, because all the videos we put are related, and if you watch all of our videos you guys will know more. And you guys, if you guys are subscribed and and the post notification is turned on, you guys will be the first one to know, and you guys will be making them most money, and so you guys can have a better life. So let's go to the website. Make sure you guys click the subscribe button. The website is called fameswap.com, guys. A lot of people don't know about this, but it's fameswap.com. So make you guys go check out fameswap.com. It's free. You don't need anything. You just need to sign in with an account. You guys can use your Google account or anything. Then what you guys can do in here is sell your Instagram pages, YouTube and TikTok. So your channel, so we're talking about YouTube in this video. So it doesn't have to be like it doesn't have to have like be monetized or anything. So this channel, as I showed you guys here, is not monetized, but they actually make $40,000. And here's another one, $50,000. And there's a lot more, guys, 3,900. It depends on what type of channel it is. If it's monetized, if this channel was monetized, this could make around I'll say 60,000, more than that, but at least 60,000 if it was monetized, because the ad revenue the person that buys this, the ad revenue is gonna make them money as well, so they're gonna sell it for a bit more. And there's, you guys can sell your channel for any, so let's say your channel had 7,000, you guys can sell it, but this price are low. There's channels with like only 3,000 for $1,000. So as you guys can see, this channel with 6,000, so you guys can sell it for literally any price. There's so much pages here you guys can explore. Then you guys don't need to you guys can sell Instagram, but on this video we're focusing on YouTube channels which you guys can sell. So, and I'll show you guys how to grow those channels, so you guys can grow it in less than 30 days, and you guys can sell it as soon as possible. So let me show you guys how you guys can grow this. So you guys need 5 minutes every single day to grow this. We're using this website called, before I reveal the name, make sure you guys click the like button, click the subscribe button. We're using this website to grow our channel. It's called youtube.com. So how are we growing our YouTube channel with YouTube? This is how we're going. So you guys don't need to have like a channel like me to like talk or anything. You guys can just have a background music, a free music that's not copyrighted or anything like that. Then you guys can just have pictures, or you guys can do this. So let's say you guys want to make a channel about cats, about animals, then sell it, then sell that channel. So you guys go on here, just search cute. I'll just search cute cats because they're really popular. Then what I want you guys to do is go to the filter. Make sure you guys don't click off this video because this is the important part. So go to the filter and press on the not on the latest one. Let's go with this month. For this video we're gonna go with this month. Then go to the filter again. So guys, you guys need to select this Creative Commons. If you guys don't, you guys are gonna get one of those copyright strikes and your channel might get banned. So you guys want to go there, and this is still not it. You guys want to go to the filter again once more, then go by view count, so that go to the videos that got the most views. So that's an ad. You don't want to go with that. As you guys saw on the previous videos that I showed you guys how the ad stuff works with the Sprizzy, you guys can still check that out. And how you guys know if the video go viral, well, I'll show you guys that. Make sure you guys click the subscribe button and the like button to know how. So this is how you know the video went viral. So look, the channel has only 194k subscribers, and the video went viral because it got 384. This video didn't go viral because look, 76k, 194k. This didn't go viral, this didn't go viral. So the rest didn't really go viral because they're all from the same channel, Cute Cats TV, Cute Cats TV. So what you guys want to do is just download this video for yourself, because it actually went viral 6 days ago. Then it got so much views. Then create a channel, maybe put a name, then put the similar titles, but don't put their channel name. Put your own channel name. You guys can put their channel name if you guys want to. Put like a kind of similar thumbnail, put the similar tags and the similar description. Then your video will go viral as well. So what you guys want to do is do this straight for 30 days, for literally a month. Then what happens is YouTube says that this person is actually grinding and trying to grow this channel, so YouTube will show it to more people and more, and your channel will blow up at once. You know how people got bigger, only one video helped them get bigger, and this can happen to you as well, guys. Out of that 30 days, you put one video every single day, one of those videos will blow up. Trust me, I know what I'm saying. They will get over 100k views, they will get a lot of views, and your channel will blow up, and you guys can sell it on fameswap.com. So make sure you guys go check out this new video that I showed you, new method that I showed you guys. So you're using FameSwap and you're only creating a channel, so you guys don't need to be in front of camera or anything like that. That was it for today's video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next video.